In this video class, I am going to discuss about the permutations of alike objects, number of permutations of alike objects. See here, the number of permutations of n things out of p things are alike of one kind and q things are alike of other kind. For example, here you can see I am taking three letters or things, any objects, anything we can consider anything. So the total number of linear permutations, how many we are getting? ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. Total 6 linear permutations we are getting. So that one we can write 3 factorial also. Here if any three distinct letters are given, the 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. So that is equal to 6 we are getting. For example, if I take A is equal to B, these two are identical. Replace B by A only. So AAC, that only I am rewriting this one. ACA, AAC, ACA, CAA, CAA. Here replace B by A. Now here you can see these two are same, these two are same, and ACA, these two are same, and CAA, these two are also same. So if A is equal to B, the total number of linear permutations, each one repeated 2 times. So the total number of linear permutations here, how much I got? 3 factorial. If 2 are alike, that should be divided by 2. Here I am taking a 2. Next I will say here 2 factorial or 2. Next we can discuss that one. Now we can get 3 only. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Total 3 are there. Now for example, if I take A is equal to B is equal to C, then everywhere we can get the same only. A. Everywhere you can get A. So here 6 linear arrangements, that is equal to 1. So 3 factorial should be divided by not 3 factorial. If 3 are identical, total number of permutations, that should be number of linear permutations by, if 3 are identical, we should divide with 3 factorial. If 2 are identical, it should be divided by 2 factorial. And in the same way, the number of permutations of n things out of p things are alike of one kind. So total number n factorial, everywhere we are writing the total number of linear permutations, that should be divided by, here p things are alike of one kind, so that should be divided by p factorial. Here 2 things are alike of one kind, divided by 2 factorial. Here 3 things are alike of one kind, divided by 3 factorial, and q things are alike of other kind, we can divide with the q factorial. If p things are alike of one kind and q things are alike of one other kind, then the total number of arrangements or permutations, both are same only, then the total number of ways equals to n factorial by p factorial into q factorial. Next here, the number of permutations that can be made out of the letters of the word entrance, so that 2 n's are always together. Here 2 n's you can put in one box. These two we have to consider one object only. Both the 2 n's come together in every arrangement. Now if I keep this one, what are the rest of that letters here? E. E's 2 are there. N already completed. T, R, A, C. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. So here I am saying total number of arrangements. all the two ends comes together. This one you have to consider one object. Now total how many objects are, how many things are there, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 letters can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial upon two things are alike of one kind. So upon 2 factorial. P things are alike of one kind, we can get P factorial. Here two things are alike of one kind, so 2 factorial. Remaining all are different only. Here by interchanging these two also there is no change. Otherwise if you want you can change. The two can be interchanged among themselves in 2 factorial ways, and total number of things 2 are there letters, and 2 are identical, 2 are alike of one kind by 2 factorial, and these two gets cancelled, we can get 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Second one, that number of permutations that can be made by using all the letters of the word Tata Tika. It starts with A and end with U. Now total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. If I take 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters are there. Starts with the A. One A is fixed here. End with the U. U also fixed here. So remaining how many boxes are there? Empty places 8 are there. 8 letters are there. What are they? T's how many are there? Tata tea cup. 1, 2, 3. 3 T's are there. And 1 A completed. More 2 A's are there. CP 3, 7. One more is there. Tata tea cup. E is there. So total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 2 are fixed only. Here 8 blank places are there. These 8 letters can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial upon 3 are alike of one kind, 3 factorial, and 2 are alike of other kind, 2 factorial. Remaining 2 are different only. This one you can simplify and choose the option. Next one, the number of words that can be formed with the letters of the word mathematics by rearranging them is. See here, total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters are there. So 11 factorial by, out of 11, how many M's are there? First you can write the data. M's are 2 are there. Mathematics, M's already completed. T's how many are there? 2 are there. T's also completed. Next, A's also 2 are there. A's 2 are there. Next, H, E, I, C, S. All those are the different only. So, out of 11, M's 2 are there. 2 things are alike of one kind, and 2 things are alike of other kind, and 2 things are alike of another kind. So total number of arrangements we can add 11 factorial by, for example, here these 2 are alike only. If I interchange the 2, there is no change in that arrangement. Both are same. That's why we are dividing with that one only. Next, how many words that can be formed with the letters of the word Pataliputra without changing the relative positions of the vowels and consonants? Without changing the relative positions of the, see, all the vowels should be interchanged among themselves only. All the consonants also should be interchanged among themselves only. Here, Pataliputra, Patali. Here what are the vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, Here, without changing the positions of the vowels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial by, out of 5 here, 1, 2, 3 are alike of one kind by 3 factorial into consonants 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there, 6 factorial by, out of 6, P's 2 are there, 2 factorial, and T's 2 are there, 2 factorial. That is equals, here we can get 4 into pi, here we can get 720 by 4, 2 to the 4, 3600 total number of arrangements without changing the directions, positions of the vowels and consonants. Here the number of words that can be made by writing down the letters of the word, calculate such that each word starts with and end with a consonant. First we can separate them. Here what are the consonants here? C, C, L, L, T. Vowels A, U, A, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 5 consonants are there, 4 vowels are there. Here we can take, see the number of words that can be formed by writing down the letters of the word. Case wise we can take total 9 letters words we want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First what I am doing here, each word start and end with a consonant. Here all the possibilities I am writing. For example, here I am keeping C, here also I am keeping C. Here different are there, alike things also there. That's why we have to take all are different, that is very simple only. For example, all these are different, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one we can write in 5 ways, that one we can write in 4 ways. Remaining rest of the letters they can be arranged among themselves in like that, 7 factor like that only. But here some are alike, some are not alike. So here case wise we can take. Now these two are arranged. These two are fixed, C comma C in the first and the last. Starts with and end with the consonant only. Now what about the rest of the terms? If these two are arranged, fixed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 factorial by 2 L's are there, 2 factorial into 2 A's are there, 2 factorial. In the first case, those are the number of arrangements. In the second case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here I am arranging L and L. Here also we can get the same number of arrangements, 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. In the third case, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, I am taking 1 C, 1 T. 1 C and 1 T. Then total number of arrangements. Here 1 C and 1 T, these are fixed only. So total remaining 7 are there, 7 factorial by, here 2 L's, 2 A's are there. Here also we are getting the same number of arrangements. 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial only. If I keep a C and a T. And one more thing, these two can be interchanged. These two can be interchanged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Next, fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am keeping here L and T. So here we got all the possibilities only. Here what are the consonants are there? CLT only. CC, LL, CT, LT only. These two can be interchanged among themselves in 2 factorial into 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. By adding all these, we can get the answer. Here, the number of words that can be formed from the letters of the word maximum. The letters of the word maximum if no two consonants are occur together. First, we can separate what are the vowels, what are the consonants. M, X, M, M. A, I, U. A, I, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 7 letters. Total 7 letters are there. Here what they are saying here, no two consonants are occur together. So here first we have to arrange the no two consonants are occur together. Here we can arrange, first we can arrange this one. Vowels we can arrange A, I, U. This can be done in 3 factorial ways. These 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Now here total how many consonants are there? 4 are there. So here 4 blank places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I arrange that 4 in these 4 places, that can be done in 4 factorial. Upon here 3 are alike of one kind by 3 factorial. That is equal to total how much we are getting? 24. This is also similar to that only. All the letters of the word M set are arranged in all possible ways. The number of such arrangements in which no two vowels are not adjacent to each other, or two vowels are not adjacent to each other. So here also we can separate. Here E repeated twice, M, C, T. 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 3, 6 are there. Now, here no two vowels comes together. First you can arrange consonants. M, C, T. This can be done in 3 factorial ways. Into. But here only 3 are there. 3 vowels are there. But here how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places are there. From that 4 places you can select 3 places. From that 4 places you can, the number of ways selecting 3 places out of 4, that is 4. See 3. Now in my hand 3 empty places are there and 3 letters are there. The 3 letters in the 3 places we can arrange themselves in 3 factorial ways. Out of 3, 2 are alike of one kind by 2 factorial. That one you can simplify and you will get the answer. 3 factorial, that is 6 into 4C3, that is 14641 0 1 2 3. 4 we can get here. 4 into this is 3. 6 into 4 into this is 3. Total 72. The number of ways permitting or arranging, the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word engineering so that the order of the vowels is not changed. Here first we can separate what are the order vowels. These are the vowels. Should not change the order of the vowels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial. Upon, in that 5, out of 5, 3 are alike of one kind and 2 are alike of another kind. 3 factorial into 2 factorial into, and what about the consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consonants are there. 6 can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial. Out of 6, here n's 3 are there, 3 factorial. N's 3 are there and g's 2 are there, 2 factorial. That's enough. That is the answer. If any p things are alike, immediately we can divide with p factorial. Next, this is also same like that only. The number of different numbers that can be formed by using the letters of the all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. These are the odd places only. These are the odd places. First place, third place, fifth place, seventh place. Here, so that odd digits always occupy the odd places. Here, how many odd digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. In this 4 places, that odd digits can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial by, here 2 are alike of one kind and 2 are alike of another kind. This is not yet completed. Into even places 1, 2, 3 are there. These 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial by, out of the 3, 2 are alike of one kind by 2 factorial. That is the simplify that one. Here next one, the number of permutations that can be made out of the letters of the word mathematics when all vowels comes together. No two vowels comes together. All vowels comes together. No two vowels comes together. Next, third one. When the relative positions of the vowels and consonants unaltered, should not be changed. The relative positions of the vowels and the consonants should be remains the same only. Now, first one, all vowels comes together. Here, first bit, all vowels. These are the vowels. A, E, I. All vowels comes together means this one we can consider one letter. Remaining M, T, H, M, T, I, C, S. M, T, H, M, T, C, S. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1. Total 8 are there. That 8 can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial by M, T, H, M, T, C, S. So 1 plus 4, 11. So 8 factorial by, here 1, 2, 2 m's are there and 2 t's are there, 2 factorial into, here we can interchange these 4 letters among themselves, 4 factorial, out of 4, 2 are alike of one kind. That is the answer for the first one. 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Second one, all vowels comes together, so that is completed. No two vowels comes together. No two vowels comes together means no two vowels comes together. So first we can arrange the consonants. M, T, H, M, T, C, S. First we can arrange the consonants. This can be done in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial upon 1, 2 factorial, 2 t's are there. Now how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gaps are there. Total how many gaps are there here? 8 gaps are there. Next, here how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gaps are there. In that 8 gaps, you can select no two vowels comes together. Here vowels 4 are there. You can select 4 gaps. In that 4 gaps, these 4 letters can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial upon 2 are alike of one kind. Total 8 gaps are there. I selected 4 gaps. In that 4 gaps, in how many ways we can arrange these 4 letters? 4 factorial. And out of 4, 2 are alike of one kind. That is 2 factorial. So that is 8c4 into 4 factorial. We can write 8p4 also. Next, third bit. What is the third one here? When the relative positions of the vowels and consonants unaltered, we should not change that relative positions of that one. Here only you can see how many consonants are there. Third one very simple. That one we can do it. That consonants can be interchanged among themselves in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial upon m's 2 are there, t's 2 are there, into what about the vowels? That vowels can be interchanged among themselves in 4 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 a's are there. That is the result for the next one. Thank you.